In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the WordPress admin bar. If you're a WordPress user, you've probably noticed the admin bar that appears at the top of your site whenever you're logged in. While it can be helpful for quick access to backend tools, it can also get in the way when you're trying to view your site as your visitors would. Whether you're customizing your site or just want a cleaner look while logged in, hiding this admin bar is quick and easy. Let's walk through the process step by step. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the WordPress website. You can do this by typing www.wordpress.com into your browser's address bar. Once the site loads, look for the login button, which is located in the top right corner of the page, and click on it. Next, you'll arrive at the login page here. You can enter your credentials, your username and password to access your account. Alternatively, if your WordPress site is connected to your Google account, you can select the Continue with Google option instead. Now keep in mind, if this is your first time using the Google login option on this particular device, you may need to go through a quick authorization process to connect your Google account to WordPress. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the My Home dashboard of your WordPress site. This is your main hub for managing your site. From here, move your mouse over to the left-hand menu, hover over the Users tab, and you'll notice that additional options will appear. From this list, click on the Profile option. Now that you're on the profile page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Toolbar. This section contains a setting that determines whether the admin bar is displayed when you're viewing your site. You'll see a box labeled Show Toolbar when viewing site. By default, this box is checked. To hide the admin bar, simply uncheck this box. Disabling this setting ensures that the admin toolbar will no longer appear at the top of your site while you're logged in, giving you a distraction-free experience. After making that change, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, look for the Save Profile button, and click on it. This step is crucial because it applies and saves the changes you just made. If you skip this step, your changes won't take effect. Finally, it's time to confirm that everything worked. Navigate to your WordPress site as if you were visiting it normally. You should notice that the admin bar no longer appears at the top of your site while you're logged in. If the bar is still visible, go back to the profile page and double-check that the box is indeed unchecked, and make sure you clicked Save Profile. And there you have it. Now you know how to hide the WordPress admin bar for a cleaner, more visitor-like viewing experience while logged in. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.